Hello students, have you heard about 1500 meter or 3000 meter race? Let's see. This 1500 meter race is middle distance track event. We'll tell this 1500 meter race as middle distance track event. Here I brought first 5 position in the world. See the athlete name, nation, from which country, the date and that achievement. And within this time he achieved that 1500 meter, that is 3 minutes 26 seconds itself he reached that 1500. he won that. So this is the topmost record. This is the first rank, second rank, third rank, fourth rank, fifth rank. Like that I brought just first 5 position in 1500 meter race. So the next one, 3000 meter race. Let's see about 3000 meter race. It is track running event. 3000 meter race we will tell as track running event. Here also I brought first 5 positions. So the person name, athlete name, within this time, that is 7 minutes 20 seconds 67 microsecond, and the date and the place, venue, place. Like that first 5 position from 3000 meter race I brought. So the 1500 meter race will tell us middle distance track event, and this 3000 meter race we can tell as track running event. Okay, now you remember that 1000 meters make 1 kilometer. 1000 meters make 1 kilometer. Example, like if you take any one of you, that for standard student, if you stand top of each other, 1000 students you are standing top of each other, then 1000 students make 1 kilometer. That is 1000 meters make 1 kilometer. Or we can tell 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. If 1000 meters is 1 kilometer, what about 500 meters? 500 meters is half a kilometer. Is it or not, children? From this 1000 we are making half. So that's why 500 meters is half a kilometer. So you can say in a 1500 meters race people run dash kilometer. So here it is given meter, we have to tell in kilometer. We know very well 1000 meters is 1 kilometer, then 500 meters is half a kilometer. So how can we tell finally? 1.5 kilometer or 1.5 kilometer. So this 1500 meters, how can we tell in kilometer, children? 1.5 kilometer or 1.5 kilometer. Suppose here 2500 meters comes 2.5 kilometer or 2.5 kilometer. 4500 meters comes 4.5 kilometer or 4.5 kilometer. Like that we can tell. Then in a 3000 meters race people run dash kilometer. You know very well, 1000 meters 1 kilometer, 2000 meters 2 kilometer, then 3000 meters make 3 kilometer. Is it or not, children? Yeah. Have you heard about marathon races in which people have to run about 40 kilometers? Marathon race you would have heard, even you might have seen. Marathon race is such a long distance. How much distance, children? About 40 kilometers. About 40 kilometers people run. People run marathons on roads. Is it or not? Have you seen, even in news, many places we might have heard about that. People run marathons on roads because the track of a stadium is only 400 meters. In a stadium, there is a track. What is the distance in the track? Track of a stadium is just 400 meters. But marathon race is about 40 kilometers. So, 10 rounds of a stadium 10 rounds of a stadium track is equal to dash a kilometer. 10 rounds of a stadium track is dash kilometer. For one round in a stadium, one round if you take 400 meters. Is it or not? One round is 400 meters. So 10 rounds mean what do you do, children? One round is 400 meters. So 10 round, we are going to find more. If you have the value of 1, to find more, we multiply. So 10 multiplied by 400. Here short multiplication we are doing because both the numbers are ending with zeros. See, 10, the end digit 0. Here 400, end digits 0. So here short multiplication we are applying. When you multiply the numbers ending with digit zeros, you can multiply shortly. Take out the zeros. 1, 2, 3. We are taking out the zeros. See, 3 zeros we have taken out and write it as last digits in the answer column. 3 zeros you have taken out. If you have taken out these 3 zeros, left hand side remains 1 and right hand side remains 4. So 1 multiplied by 4, 1 4s are 4. So you are writing that 4 in the answer column. So 4000 meter. So if 1 round 400 meters, for 10 rounds 4000 meter. And we know very well 1000 meter is 1 kilometer. Is it or not? 1000 meter is 1 kilometer. So 4000 meter is 4 kilometer. So 10 rounds of a stadium track 4 kilometer. If you take 10 rounds of a stadium track, how long you are completing? I mean how far you are running? 4 kilometer. So if you run a marathon on a stadium track, usually we run a marathon on roads. Is it or not, children? Suppose if you are running a marathon on a stadium track, you will have to complete dash rounds. How many rounds will you take to complete the marathon race? Marathon race takes 40 kilometers, about 40 kilometers. You just see 10 rounds 4 kilometers. So here we have to complete 40 kilometers. Let's see the solution. So 1 kilometer is 1000 meter, we know very well. And how much kilometer we have to finish, children? 40 kilometer, because marathon race is about 40 kilometer. If 1 kilometer 1000 meter means what about 40 kilometer? Again we multiply. So 40 multiplied by 1000 meter, we get 40,000 meter. Again short multiplication we are doing. We are taking out the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros you are taking out. You are writing in the answer column as the last digits. Then here remains 4 and right hand side remains 1. 4 ones are 4. So 40,000 meter. So to run that, 40 kilometer is equal to 40,000 meter. In a stadium, because now we are going to run a marathon in a stadium only. On a stadium only. Is it or not? So now one round is 400 meter. We know very well that is in stadium. On a stadium 400 meter. One round 400 meter. And to complete the marathon race 40,000 meter we have to finish. One round 400 meter. And to complete the marathon race we have to run 40,000 meter. So now we are going to find the number of rounds. How many rounds will we take to complete the marathon race? So we have total distance and for one round also. To find the number of round, we are dividing the total distance, that is 40,000 meter divided by one round, 400 meter. When we have the total value and the value of 1, to find the number of rounds, we are dividing here. Children, listen. Here when you divide, short division we are doing, because the numbers are ending with zeros. The numbers are ending the digits with 0. So here 4 zeros, numerator 4 zeros, denominator 2 zeros. Let's cancel numerator 2 zeros, denominator 2 zeros. We are doing short division by cancelling the last 2 zeros. See, numerator we are cancelling 2 zeros, denominators also we are cancelling. Both we have to cancel uniformly. So when you cancel numerator and denominator, the 2 zeros, numerator remains here 400, then denominator 4. Then here we are, as usual, division we are doing. 400 divided by 400. So to complete a marathon race on a stadium track, how many rounds will you take, children? 100 rounds. How many rounds will you take? 100 rounds. Thank you, children.